TechMaa is hiring for the role of back-end developer. If you're passionate about back-end development and looking for an exciting opportunity, this might be the perfect fit for you. Whether you're a fresher or have prior experience, TechMaa provides a supportive environment for growth and innovation. In this role, you'll be responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining scalable, high-performance back-end systems. Collaborating with cross-functional teams, you will contribute to the creation of new features that enhance the overall user experience. Writing clean, efficient, and well-documented code will be a critical part of your responsibilities, ensuring the smooth functioning of complex applications. Security is a top priority at TechMaa, and as a back-end developer, you will implement and maintain security best practices to safeguard data and applications. You will also troubleshoot and debug production issues, ensuring that the platform remains stable and reliable for users. Staying updated with the latest technologies and trends in back-end development will keep you ahead in this fast-evolving industry. For those with a solid foundation in programming, TechMaa seeks proficiency in Java, Python, or Node.js, and experience with relational databases such as MySQL and PostgreSQL, as well as NoSQL databases like MongoDB. Familiarity with RESTful APIs and microservices architecture is a valuable skill, as is a solid understanding of object-oriented programming principles. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a fresher eager to dive into the tech industry, TechMaa welcomes talent from all backgrounds. Excellent communication and collaboration skills are essential to working effectively both independently and as part of a team. You'll also gain experience with version control systems like Git, ensuring your projects are well managed and trackable. Perks at TechMaa include competitive salary packages ranging from Indian rupee 240,000 to Indian rupee 360,000 per year, along with benefits like medical insurance, transport, and food and beverages. With a flexible work-from-home option, you'll enjoy a healthy work-life balance while contributing to exciting, meaningful projects. TechMaa values innovation, teamwork, and continuous learning. If you're ready to take your back-end development career to the next level, apply today and join a company that fosters creativity and growth. Don't forget, TechMaa ensures no fees are charged for job applications. Stay vigilant and apply with confidence. Interviews starts from 16th to 31th this month.